Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will learn how to add your designs to a white t-shirt mockup. So let's open Photoshop and see how it's done. Here's our picture and here is the design that we want to add to the t-shirt. Go to Edit, Copy and paste it in the t-shirt document. Press Ctrl or Command T and adjust it. When done, go to the blending mode and choose multiply. As you do that, half of our job will be done. Now, press Ctrl or Command T, right click and choose warp. Adjust it as per the curves of the t-shirt. Hit enter or return when done. Right click on layer 1 and choose blending options. Here, move the white slider of the underlying layer towards left. Press Alt or Option to break the slider and make the transition smooth. Adjust it as per your requirement and hit OK when done. So that's how you can add any of your designs to t-shirt mockups in Photoshop. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more such content. Thanks for watching.